How to analyze a company's balance sheet. Please watch video till end, it will be more informative and useful. Please subscribe to channel to get more of such videos on fundamental matters for investment decision. Analyzing a company's balance sheet is crucial for investors and financial analysts to assess financial health, profitability, and risk factors. The balance sheet provides a snapshot of a company's assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity at a specific point in time. Here's a step-by-step guide to understanding and analyzing a balance sheet effectively. 1. Understand the structure of the balance sheet. A balance sheet is divided into three main sections. A. Assets. Assets represent what the company owns. They are divided into current assets, short-term, includes cash, accounts receivable, and inventory. These are liquid assets that can be converted into cash within a year. Non-current assets, long-term, includes property, plant, equipment, intangible assets like patents, and investments that the company holds for more than a year. B. Liabilities. Liabilities are what the company owes to creditors. They include current liabilities, short-term obligations like accounts payable, short-term debt, and accrued expenses. Non-current liabilities, long-term debts, bonds payable, and pension obligations. C. Shareholders' equity. This represents the company's net worth and includes common stock, retained earnings, and additional paid-in capital. It reflects the residual value for shareholders after all liabilities are settled. 2. Key metrics to analyze. A. Liquidity ratios, short-term financial health. Current ratio equals current assets, current liabilities. A ratio above 1 indicates the company can cover short-term obligations. Quick ratio equals current assets, inventory, current liabilities. A stricter measure of liquidity, excluding inventory. B. Leverage ratios, debt and financial risk. Debt to equity ratio equals total debt, shareholders' equity. Higher ratios indicate higher financial risk, while lower ratios suggest financial stability. Interest coverage ratio equals earnings before interest and taxes, EBIT, interest expense. Shows how easily a company can pay interest on its debt. C. Asset efficiency ratios. Return on assets, ROA, equals net income, total assets. Measures how efficiently a company generates profit from its assets. Asset turnover ratio equals revenue, average total assets. Indicates how efficiently a company uses its assets to generate sales. D. Shareholders' equity analysis. Return on equity, ROE, is equal to net income, shareholders' equity. Shows how well the company generates returns for shareholders. Book value per share is equal shareholders' equity, total outstanding shares. Helps assess whether a stock is undervalued or overvalued. 3. Compare with industry peers. A company's balance sheet should be analyzed relative to competitors. A strong balance sheet in one industry might be weak in another. 4. Identify red flags. High short-term debt with low cash reserves. Declining retained earnings could indicate consistent losses. Over-reliance on debt to fund operations. Conclusion. A balance sheet analysis helps investors assess a company's financial stability, risk exposure, and profitability potential. By focusing on key financial ratios and trends, you can make informed investment decisions. Still not subscribed? Please subscribe. Thanks for watching video. See you soon with next video.